Alright, 2.4, continuity and one-sided limits. So if we look at the directions here, it says examine each function below and state whether the function is continuous or discontinuous. If there is a discontinuity, state whether it is a removable discontinuity or a non-removable discontinuity. Okay, so let's look. We'll call this A, call this B, call this C, call this D. So first of all, and it says consider a function on the open interval from A to B. Okay, so this function from A to B, not including A and B, we're looking at just what's between A and B. Is it continuous? And this would be no. This would be discontinuous because there is a break right here at point C. Okay? Then we have to state whether this is a removable discontinuity or non-removable. And this would be removable because if one point has just been removed, or maybe a block of points have been removed, then this would be considered removable. So this would be a removable discontinuity. Alright, let's look at B. B, again, I think you can see that this is not continuous. Okay, there's a break right here. Okay, and this is more than just removing one point. Okay, this whole graph would have to be shifted up. So this would be considered a non-removable discontinuity. Okay. Let's look at C. Okay, again, this would not be continuous because there's a break right here. And basically this is a removable discontinuity because this point here has been removed. It's been moved down there. So, removable discontinuity. Okay. Then finally D, if you look at D, all of the points between A and B, it's one smooth line, no breaks. So this would be considered continuous. Okay?